So we take a moment to gently close our outer eyes and open the inner awareness, diving into the internal landscape of our being. Simply allowing this moment to breathe us into being. We take a deep community breath and let go. Arriving fully and completely here and now. In this moment, which is the one moment that exists. It is always this moment. So we allow ourselves to arrive at this moment without bringing the past into it, and without stretching out to the future, but simply watching our thoughts like clouds moving through the sky. And when we're aware of any thinking, any activity, we simply return to the breath. Breathing in and breathing out. On the next inhale, we draw the crown of the head high. The spine becomes long, and on the exhale, the shoulders relax and release down. There is no place to go to get more God. All Godness is right here. Everything and anything desirable is right here, already given, freely available. Accessible. This is the living water. The living water of truth, wisdom, and love. We live, move, and have our being in the midst of this field of activity. Drawing life, intelligence, and substance through the silence into expression. So we simply relax and receive in the sacred silence. by the power of this practice. May all beings have freedom from suffering and the causes of suffering. May all beings know God as love, and every child of this love as worthy, whole, and complete. May all beings know they are born blessed and here to be a blessing. Namaste.